Hello viewers! In this video, we will fix an error that appears when trying to install Windows 11 on a PC or laptop. The error message says, "We couldn't find any drivers. To get a storage driver, click Load Driver." So how do we fix this? Let's follow these steps. Power on the laptop using the power button. Press the F1 key on the keyboard to enter BIOS settings. If it doesn't go into BIOS settings, then press FN plus F, two keys together. The BIOS settings menu will appear. Go to the Configuration tab. Scroll down the page until you find Intel VMD controller and disable it. Press the F10 key to save these settings and exit. I hope this video was helpful for you. See you in another video. Goodbye.